Reef DVM's coming at you a learning experience on the farm. Sometimes some of the old beasts, like the old Super A Farmall, just don't want to start. You can jump them if you want, but the kids have a new learning experience today. I asked them to hook up the tow rope on that beast, back up the big diesel gator, and put one of my daughters on the tractor. Asked her to learn how to do a pop start. Told her to put it in third gear, and told the other one to drop it into low on the gator, pull nice and steady in four-wheel drive, and pull this thing out of the arena. In the process of pulling, I'm asking my other daughter to pop that clutch out in third gear, about half throttle, and start that thing up, and then we'll get it unhooked and get it moved to a different barn. It's a good learning experience for these kids. They need to learn how to do this kind of stuff. I firmly believe that. It's old school, I get it, but at times it still works on tractors that are 50, 55 years old. So here they go, they're about ready to tackle this beast. As you can see, there's a little bit of herky-jerky as they get used to working as a team. But it doesn't take long for the gator just to kind of squat down and pull against that clutch as she pops it. Bang, she's up and running. She did a good job. Now she's got that tractor running. She can get this thing unhooked, and we'll get it moved to another barn. Thanks for watching, folks. This is a good learning experience for the farm kids.